Hello friends, welcome to Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence series. So today I will show you how to detect faces in a given image. So for today's tutorial, I have taken an image and I have saved it in a D drive. So here you can see I have an image IMG and I want to show first preview of this image. You can see this image and with the help of OpenCV I will show you how we can detect the faces in a given image. So now I'm going to close this image. Now come to Jupyter Notebook. So this is a small piece of code which will detect the faces in a given image. So let's go through line by line. So first line is in the first line we are trying to install OpenCV with pip command. So this command will install OpenCV in your machine. After that, what we'll do, we will import that OpenCV. Next step is we will load this file, that is cascade file. Its name is r cascade underscore frontal face underscore default.xml. So basically this is a classifier. This detects the object for which it is trained. So this file is trained for the frontal faces. So in our tutorial we will detect the faces. So for that reason I have included this file. So this file is necessary to detect the faces. So I have kept this file in a D drive. So let's show you. So here you can see I have kept this file r cascade underscore frontal face underscore default in D drive. So we'll use this file in our code. After this, after loading this file, what we'll do, our next step will be to read the image. So here you can see that I'm reading the image from the D drive. So in the D drive I have a image with the name IMG, which I'm reading in my code. After reading this image, I am storing it in IMG, and after that the next step is I am converting this image into grayscale. So for that I'm using the CVT color function of OpenCV, in which I am passing the image. Our next step will be to detect the faces. So we can detect the faces by using the face underscore cascade dot detect multi-scale method, in that we are passing that gray image and two more parameters. And after that, detecting the face, what we'll do, that we will draw a rectangle over the image so that we can identify that face area, and after that we will display the image. So I will run this section in a separate Jupyter notebook line by line, so that it can be more clear. So let's start with this command pip install opencv dash python. So now I'm going to run this command, and you will see as OpenCV is already installed on my machine, so it should give the message that requirement is already satisfied. Yes, it's here. So it says requirement is already satisfied. So now we will load that cascade file. So let's copy that code. Oh, sorry, before that I will import that OpenCV. So next step is we'll import the OpenCV. Now I'm going to run it, and the next step is to load the cascade file. So here we are loading the cascade file. Now I'm running this part, and after that we'll load the image. So now we are going to read the images. Now image is read, and we have stored it in img. Next step is to convert the images into grayscale. So let's see. Image is converted to grayscale, and the next step is we are going to detect the faces. So now run this part. Now faces are detected, and now let's draw a rectangle over the images. So we have drawn the rectangle. In that we have taken the four coordinates, x comma y, which is the starting point, and from where we will take the w width and h height to draw the rectangle. And the last step is to display the output. So let's run this part. Now I'm running this part, and you can see here it detected. So you can see in this image it has detected the faces, and it had marked the blue rectangle over the faces. So friends, this was a small code to detect the faces in OpenCV. If you have any query, you can put your query in the comment section, and if you want the code for this tutorial, you can put your email ID in the comment section. I will try to send the code. And if you find this video useful, please like the video and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.